Most common route of retinoblastoma is optic nerve. Vitreous has high concentration of ascorbate. Cherry red and Hallenhorst plaque is seen in CRAO. Right trochlear nerve palsy causes diplopia, extropia, and hypertropia. Whorl-like corneal opacities are seen with amiodarone, indomethacin, chloroquine, but not with chlorperazole. Keyhole-shaped visual field defect is seen in lesion involving lateral gangrenate body. Silent choroid on FFA is a feature of Stargardt's disease. Hypotonia maculopathy is caused by corneal perforation. Visual pathway defect at the level of optic chiasma will result in bitemporal hemianopia. Mittendorf dot is associated with posterior polar cataract. Mittendorf dot is a remnant of anterior end of hyaline artery. Fabry-Goldman syndrome has retinoschisis, nyctalopia, pigmentary changes similar to retinitis pigmentosa. Cogan syndrome is associated with keratitis. Anterior dystrophy include Meesmann dystrophy. In Lowe syndrome, we can see congenital cataract and glaucoma. Gunn sign is tapering of veins on either side of crossing. Gunn sign is seen in grade 3 hypertensive retinopathy. Weiss operation is done for senile ectropion. Matrix suture are used for correcting the extropion. Bilateral granulomatous panuveitis is seen in Hoford's syndrome. Appendages of the eye include lacrimal gland, irids, eyebrows, but no extraocular muscle. Ophthalmoplegic migraine is best characterized by recurrent headache with transient palsy of third, fourth, or sixth cranial nerve. In endophthalmitis, retina, vitreous, and uvea are involved. Propionibacterium acne is late onset endophthalmitis after cataract surgery. Drug contraindicated in dendritic keratitis is dexamethasone.